I was so shocked when Shav called me and said, "Yo, MG, um, your boy missing." Me say, "My boy, me say who that?" Say Cephas. Me say what? Renaldo Cephas missing. Me say that missing. What do you mean by missing? Come down till yesterday evening, missing post on the IG, and he say, "Yo, you see report, sports prophecy report say he missing." Then I go so boom, I'm jump on my page and start dig deep. And I say, "Yo, this don't look good." So I find one publication coming from the club, not the club necessarily, but coming out some open articles. Let me read it. I'm not gonna read that one still. Most of them I said they missing because they say they haven't seen he was listed in the match day squad over the weekend. He never turned up at the stadium. And me I say, yo, this don't look good. This don't look good, this don't look good. So I'm starting a little bit more research, start dig a little bit deeper to find out what's the situation. And then I go so boom, take up my phone. I say, you know what? Let me take up my phone. I make a phone call. And sigh of relief. Anyways, we'll soon get to that. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We're going to discuss the latest reports surrounding Renaldo Cephas and what actually happened or what is happening with Renaldo Cephas. And it's actually a big development. Tentatively, it's actually a big development. So we're going to see. And listen, you know what? I want to listen keenly, people. It's very important. Really, really important for you to listen. So I'm going to read an article first. This article surrounds the entirety of the issue. All right. It was revealed why Ronaldo Cephas did not come to the match in Ankara Gucu. The reason for the Jamaican footballer Ronaldo Cephas' absence from the match for Ankara Gucu, a first league team, has been revealed. According to information obtained from a club official, we have learned that our professional footballer Ronaldo Cephas has reached an agreement with another club in order to prove the notary that the footballer did not participate in the match of his own free will. He was included in the match day squad by the coach. So apparently he got the go ahead to do it, and maybe the information was not passed on to the coach. Yeah, so that situation. So as I said, an official from the club notified that they gave the go ahead for the player to go and conduct his business. Now, the player did have a conversation with someone online, and they posted that conversation online. This is what the conversation said. So the person basically, he said something about, where are you? Out of frustration. That's what the person, out of frustration. And so Renaldo Cephas, you know what I'm going to do? My apologies. What am I going to do? In the meantime, I just upload it. So I'm going to read it for myself. Should have done that. But I'm just going to read it for myself. Anyways, I'm going to continue to read the article. Then I'm going to read the conversation that Renaldo Cephas had with someone. All right, so let's continue. He was not included in the squad to prove that he did not play. No, he was included in the squad to prove that he did not play in the match. An official from Ankara Gucu stated that the issue was being unnecessarily prolonged, made the following statement to DHA regarding the football player Renaldo Cephas, who is allegedly to have disappeared. We learned that our professional footballer Renaldo Cephas has signed with another club in order to prove the notary that the player did not play the match of his own violation. He was included in the match day squad by our coach. He decided not to come to training and matches. We helped the notary to carry out the necessary procedures. The issue should not be extended, he said. On the other hand, according to social media posts of Renaldo Cephas, who is allegedly to have disappeared, did not come to the training and matches. It was seen that the player continued to work out in a fitness center. So, what I'm going to do now, people, I'm going to put up the discussion, the conversation that he had. Don't go nowhere, people. Want to listen clean, because there's technically some breaking news in it. So, don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. So this is the conversation that Renaldo Cephas had with one of the supporters them. As you can see, and they put it up. So, where are you? You know, they use the term there. And Renaldo says, idiot for what, basically, what you call it? Idiot for what, my friend? You don't come to the stadium even though you're in the squad. We don't know where you are. This is Ankara. Come out and fight. Renaldo says, I don't need to come and say anything, my friend. Everyone will know the real truth. You're at the biggest club of your career and of Turkey. You don't always get that chance. Please act like a man. But as you know, supporters will be upset. That's how supporters are, especially this one and Mbala. They turn up, they might go vex. So, what is the big story? Well, that's actually a big story. That is actually not missing. So, officially, it's not missing. Officially, it's not missing. No, but based off all of the early reports that I've seen, anyone would believe that is missing. I have to go deep. And then now, when we finally met the phone call, I found out a different aspect of what's happening. I don't know the club. I don't know which club. But apparently, the club that is currently negotiating with is a club in England. That's the only information that I was given. The club that is currently negotiating with is a club in England. How true is that? Still a wait to see. But why? Uninterested. The one that kind of intriguing people, may I tell you the truth. Which club, as I said, I don't know, they never stated. They never stated, but it's a fact that his agent at this present moment is in England, both agent and player in England. And if you can check from his social media posts, we don't know if he might drop one little subliminal message. Let me tell you one. He post one cup, basically with some tea. Basically post a teacup. You don't know what that means. Who love to drink tea? I don't know if that's a subliminal message. I don't know. Anyways, but apparently that seems to be the case, that he is working on something to be in England. Will it go through? We don't know. We don't know. You get information, say? That's the latest development. That's information we get. That's information I can pass on to you guys. Whenever there's more in the pipeline, I can continue with that. So we'll see how this one go. As you know, it's agent. I'm not getting agent. I'm charity agent. I get the agent as yet. But I work with what we hear so far, and we'll see how this one materialize. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Where is it? Where player go? If you don't know, probably one of them probably know some after information. Drop in the comment section. I could know. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Keep safe, Ronaldo Cephas. Cheers. Now, leap. Big up on yourself. Boom. Now, God bless people. Like, share, subscribe. No thing already. Every time, all the time.